Yo, what's popping guys? Welcome back to my channel again. My name is Corinthian, the best YouTuber ever in the world, guys. No matter what content it is, I'm the best in the YouTube, in the world, literally, you know. Alright, so today from the title already, you know, I'm going to unbox Playaz merch. Alright, I was one of the lucky winners, and yeah, I got it. Alright, so here's the parcel. Alright, look at it. It's from Playaz right here at the back. You know, it's rectangular. Yeah, so I'm going to unbox this, like unwrap this, you know. I'm not going to edit this video because I'm going to keep it raw. This is one of the lockdown videos, you know. You know how I do, right? Like I do all the lockdown videos in one playlist, and all of them are raw, you know, literally raw. So yeah, this is it. So what you need to do nowadays is you need sanitizer. Alright, sanitizer. I'm using this. Alright, so whatever you want to open, but not food. Alright, excluding food, only like parcel. Alright, parcel, or maybe boxes, but not food. Alright, so you need to like maybe just spray a little bit, you know, just keep things safe, you know, but not when you want to eat food you spray with sanitizer. That's serious. Alright, that's not good, that's inappropriate. Alright, so I've sprayed this. Hopefully the things will go off. Alright, so let's get into the point that I'm going to unbox this parcel. So this is the notice. I'm going to like just take it off. So this is it. How do I take it off? Okay, maybe from here. No, there's one more. I'm finding for the easy spot to unwrap. No. Okay, I just open from here. Alright, is it? I just tore one piece. Oh my gosh. Hopefully. Yeah, from here. I'll just open it from here. Open it. Yes, finally I opened. So there's a hole, and oh my gosh, it's, you know, just to tell you that for your information, I got the 19th anniversary shirt of Playaz. Wow, dude, I saw Playaz words. Just like, I don't know whether you can see it. Playaz. Yeah, Playaz. Look at it. Yeah, right. Wow. Oh. Wow. Playaz. Wow. With a bag. With a goodie bag, guys. Goodie bag. So make sure everything is empty. Alright. When the parcel is empty, it's good to go. It means there's nothing left behind. Alright, so now this Playaz, I'm going to open it. Let's check it out together. What? I got it, guys. I got it. Oh my this, guys. Playaz, Malaysian made since 2001. Wow, guys, dude, I got this. Should I try it on? I should, guys. I should. Alright. Okay, everything is empty inside. I got this, guys. I open it. So there's a zip right here. Yes, I open it. Open it. Yeah. Woo! I'm gonna get it. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, yes. What? Dude, I got this. Look at this. Oh, it's fine touching, guys. It's comfortable. Wow, guys. Oh, dude, wow. Look at the bag. Ho. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. 19th anniversary of Playaz, right? Guys, this is crazy. Guys, I can't wait to wear it, guys. Wow, this is nice. It's literally like, you know, the heart thing. It's hard. You see, it's hard. You know. All right, guys. Dude, this is so awesome. I can't wait to wear it. Like literally, I'm serious. Oh, it looks nice on me, guys. It looks nice on me. This is the back. This is the front. Wow, guys. Wow, guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Playaz, for choosing me as the lucky winner. Actually, I didn't even expect, because normally I won't get any lucky winner thing, and now I got it. It's like, it's a dream. Alright, it's a dream. Literally, I don't think it's real, guys. So many people commented in the comment section, like I think 4,000 plus, guys. I got to be the lucky winner. Thanks God, thanks Jesus. Alright. Actually, I just released the song Jesus is Messiah, 耶稣是默西亚. I'm gonna link it right here. Make sure to check it out. Alright. So comment down below what you want to see next. What video should I react to? Thank you, Playaz. Thank you for being loyal with me. We are on the way to 4K sub, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe and like and share. Peace.